Bruh!
It should be me. This is so sad.
Okay, I keep getting this comment. Let me show you why that would not work. So, Illumi, why are you here today? I seem to be having some family issues and I want to help solve them. Okay, what kind of family issues? I come from a long line of assassins. Next. Okay, so what's the issue here? I just want to get this boy to like me. Did you tell him you liked him? I did, but it seems to not be doing it. Well, maybe if you took interest in some things that he took interest in, huh? What is he like? Oh, what did I like at 12? I'm sorry, what? What? A jail. Okay, I've had a hard day. If we could just cut to the chase, how can I help you? My entire family was killed in a genocide. I am now after the people who killed them. It has consumed my whole life. And I will gladly die for their vengeance. Yeah, fuck this. I'll take the UA kids. You want some of this?
You watch anime? That's disgusting.
You got a notification, bitch.
Oh, my favorite YouTuber just uploaded a mukbang. I can't wait to watch them eat. Did you really? Nah, I can't do this. Hey, yo, bro, they disrespected anime again. I'm gonna need you to pull up as soon as possible. Don't even say a word. Just I want to hear you pull up, okay? That's my boy.
Stand 使い。Stand 使い。
ああ、いかんぞ司会。
Dude, how do you feel?
3, 2, 1, go!
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.
Shit. Aye. Nice chain, red bone mains, chain swing, like pretty things. Kick a bitch, call me Luke Kane. Dumb bitch, give me dumb.
語れない眠れないとろいめないあなたの見てる正体誰も読めないカルテ不可思議知りたいだけ嘘も
gotta watch this show.
What's it called?
Here.
Hunter x Hunter? Bro, this is anime. I'm not watching this. This is for kids.
Actually, it's called Hunter x Hunter. The X is silent. Anyways, just watch the show. You'll love it.
I'll just watch the first episode. This is really boring.
So what'd you think about the first episode?
It was okay. But don't get your hopes up. I don't think I'm gonna continue watching this.
Damn. At least I tried, you know? Talk to you later.
See you later.
I just finished watching Hunter x Hunter. Give me more anime. Come on. You've come to the right place.
Y'all said I couldn't do it. Y'all said he's never gonna love you. Guess what? It's called a loophole, bitch! I'm leaving to Whale Island. Hisoka, you know where I'll be. Fuck.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block, we can go in a loop, and we'll turn the vibe.
I'm about to show you how to get any female weeb's attention. Did it work? If it did, drop me a follow.
I finally got to the part. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Jesus Christ. Jesus. No.
I don't wanna die. Sold my soul to the devil for designing it. Go to hell, but I told him I don't want it. If you know me well, then you know that I ain't.
I just found this filter that'll like green screen the sky.
I was watching the new Hunter x Hunter movie, and look at how jealous Killua gets over Gon making a new friend. Look, he sees them, and then he's like, what? Who is that? Oh, look how precious Gon is. We're friends now. Oh, look how mad he is. Look, he's just trying to ignore her or whatever. She said they're gonna go hang out together tomorrow. And look at his reaction.
You're telling me that the voice of Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter is the voice of Peppa Pig in the Japanese dub? This guy? Is this guy? What the f***?
Nope.